Hi friends, this is Renuka from SRM. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Unit 5 in Artificial Intelligence. The last previous video, we discussed about Unit 2, Unit 1 and Unit 3. This is the part 1 for Unit 5. So what are the topics comes under Unit 5 is, so the first one is planning and expert systems. Planning problems, simple planning agent, block world problem, mean end analysis learning, machine learning, supervised learning, machine learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, and introduction to expert system, architecture to expert systems, and use case to expert system. These are the topics comes under Unit 5. The first topic we are going to discuss about the block world problems. What does mean by block world problem? See, when the problem is assigned to you, how to achieve the goal. So, what are the simplest ways are there to achieve the goal? So, what are the steps? So, how we are going to explain that simple task to achieve the goal? What are the steps you need to follow? The first one is the knowledge representation and planning to transfer the complex issues to the simple forms, a specific and constrained domain to export all the AI issues. What are the steps, simple steps to achieve the goal? The block world problem consists of a table, identical blocks with the unique letter. So, like the precondition list, add list, delete list. These are the simple tasks, that is applications, strips operators, and state presentations, a heuristic function. And the purpose why we are using the heuristic function means the heuristic function you already studied in unit 1 2 itself. So the heuristic value which is used to provide the simplest way to achieve the goal. So in the block world problem, straight away we'll move to the problem. So how to, this is the initial state, this is the goal state. So here we are using this stack concept to arrange the data in the order. What is the stack concept? You know already. So what is the meaning for stack? That is the last in first out method. So how we are unstacking and how to in the unstacking push and pop operations that are. So initial state is this one. This one will move to the goal state. So how we are moving the data and information. For that we are using unstack and stack. So here we are using precondition and post conditions methods also. And the next one is how we are lifting and how we are placing the data. Here we are showing, can give one example for that. So how we are starting the problem. So initial state is the starting state is we are arranging the data in the order, that is A is in the topmost position, A, E, C, B, D and so this is the initial state. And you should achieve the goal state like this is the goal state, that is in the reverse or how to achieve the goal state. So in the corner we are assigning some heuristic value. What is in big heuristics values means we are assigning the value based on the position. The D is located in the first. So our value is assigned is 0. So in the initial state, we are assigning the values in the negative form, and then to achieve the goal state, it will be in the positive state. And then, so if the values are 0, 1, 2, so what is the heuristic value for the initial state is that is your minus 10. What is the heuristic value for the goal state is that is the plus 10 here. So you should arrange the values, that is the characters in this order. How to achieve the goal? What you will do, that's the first step one. First, you need to move the value that is variable A into onto the table. Next, first you need to arrange all the variable in the table. So, at what are the conditions? At one time, you can move only one variable. So, it should be present in the top. We can't move the values from the middle because we are using the what problem, that is the stack method, unstack, and you should lift it and everything. At the time, we can do only one operation at the same time, not more than one operation. First, the initial step is first we are moving A onto the table. So, what is the heuristic value? That is H equal to 6 here. What is the next step? We are moving E here on the table. And next one is remaining value, that is C. And then remaining value, we are moving one by one. So, initially, the third step, we are having D and B on the table itself. And step 4, what is the step 4? Based on the goal state, you should arrange it in the order. So A is in the last, that is in the first position. So based on that, you should, after that, that is B. Then the next, at the time, you can move only one. So that is A, B. Next, we are looking, that is C. And then all finally, you will reach that destination. That is the, will reach the goal. Source and destination. The source that is not in arranged order, so it is in the arranged order. So for that we are using some stack operation, unstack, lifting, and so what are the conditions, how we are holding the data, everything. So the first problem in the part 1 is your block. Thanks for watching. Thank you.